What is remote spiritual healing? Remote spiritual healing is a natural method of using energy to cure physical, mental and spiritual ailments. Spiritual healing has grown in popularity in recent times as an alternative to traditional medical science. The concept of remote spiritual healing is hundreds of years old and has roots in many different cultures, religions and geographies. More people are turning to this type of treatment for relief as they have been unable to find a complete cure using the practices and treatments of medical science. Selecting a spiritual healing practitioner. The journey to finding a cure starts with the right diagnosis and analysis. Finding a competent practitioner is not something that should be undertaken without careful consideration by the patient. It is key that the practitioner is someone you feel comfortable with, and have a care and treatment plan specific to your needs. Who can be treated? There are no restrictions to being treated by a capable person. At Ruani Online's spiritualhelp.co.uk our door is open to all. We welcome people from all backgrounds, race, religion or culture. The patient must have an open mind, be willing to engage in the dialogue between themselves and the practitioner and be honest with how they are feeling. Who will I be treated by? At Ruani Online's Spiritual Help the majority of patients are treated by myself remotely or my sheikh. They have successfully healed hundreds of people over the past years. Please review the testimonials section of our website Ruani Online's spiritualhelp.co.uk for some amazing and truly awe-inspiring accounts of those who have not only found relief but have been blessed with total cure. The Sheikh has positively changed the lives of countless individuals from all walks of life. What can be treated by spiritual healing? There are many illnesses that can be treated. I will list each one in this video on the most common types of illnesses we treat. Successful patient outcomes after treatment can be dependent on things like severity of illness, underlying causes, the patient's willingness to adopt the methods being proposed. We advise all patients to maintain any course of medical treatment they are currently on. There are two groups of illness we treat via remote spiritual healing. These are physical and mental health and spiritual issues. Often the underlying cause of a physical or mental health issue is related directly to spiritual imbalances or interference. Physical and mental issues treated: addiction, allergies and skin irritations, arthritis and bone-related back pain, blood pressure, cancer, diabetes type 2, non-insulin dependent, depression, fear, insomnia, infertility and impotency, joint stiffness and pain, lethargy, being constantly tired, menstruation, excessive pain, cycle realignment, sciatica, stress. Spiritual issues treated: black magic, evil eye, nazar, financial blockage, rizq, jinn, demon possession or interference. Jinn demon is Arabic term for a creature made from fire. Spirit-related disturbances. How can I receive remote spiritual treatment? The initial step in the process is an email with me, support at ruanispiritualhelp.co.uk. Depending on the outcome of this initial discussion, what has taken place by email, a discussion will allow an in-depth examination of the symptoms. The causes for the illness are identified and a care pathway is then recommended, also informing the price of the treatment. What is involved in remote spiritual healing? The actual remote method of spiritual treatment is using nur or light in Arabic, to remotely channel into the patient. The energy associated with this nur or allows for the removal of blockages, both physical and spiritual, remotely. Once the root cause has been removed remotely, the body and spirit can then regenerate and begin healing. The greater the strength of this nur or, the greater the capacity to heal. The piety of the individual practitioner is directly related to the capacity to harness and distribute the nur or to others.